Hey, what's happening, everybody? It is around 11 p.m. and your fearless leader is up, going back and forth between Bitcoin websites, brokerage accounts that I'm opening up between Bitsane, Coinbase, and then I want to touch base on foreign currency, which Diversify Forex, one of our companies, which is an educational platform that will help you all understand and begin to learn about foreign currency trading. Myself and my wonderful partner, Eric Upchurch II, who is a wonderful trader, I wanted to bring this to you guys so that you could really get into the process and start making money. I get so perturbed and tired of us always waiting for people to teach us how to make money or wait for them to give us money. And so we want to empower you and equip you to really do it for yourself. Because once you start learning, in my mind, that's freedom. And so one of the accounts, and I have another forex brokerage account, but right now they're sort of a little slow, and so I wanted to explore this Oanda, which is looks like a wonderful platform. As you can see, there's a ton of things for you to learn, but one of the things we'll be teaching you is about the foreign currency exchange. And for many of you, you'll be getting your feet wet with the euro US dollar to exchange the euro and the US versus the US dollar. And so, just to give you a little bit about why I like this website. Number one, again, most of you will be dealing with the euro and the US dollar. And as you can see, this is a 1 day chart here. And if you look, if I ask any of you, is the euro US dollar going up or down, you would probably say is going up. I mean, if you look here, just back in November 7th, you can see that this is a up pattern. This is a trending up pattern, um, and so you will look at making sure that you um, get into that. I probably wouldn't look at maybe buying right then and there, because again, depending on when you want, it's sort of at the highest. Maybe I would wait for this price to come down a little bit more. I would probably short it, um, and then wait for it to hit back one of these levels here before I decided to get back into it. But just to give you a little bit about this website, why I like it. Number one, you can look here, you get all the currencies, the Australian dollar, the Japanese yen, Australian dollar to the US dollar, and it gives you a lot of information. I mean, this website gives you a great deal. And part of what Eric and will do at our company at Diversify FX is show you and explain to you platforms, what you look for, how do you do it. But again, we really want you to work with us because when you listen to Eric's story, Eric has made decent amounts of money doing this. And I got to give shouts out to Eric because Eric was doing this back in 2000, like 2006 or so. So he was doing this stuff before it became fashionable. Um, if you look here, this is the basic dashboard. You go here. One thing I like about this site is it'll give you the latest news. And for many of us, we'll be looking at this news and how that plays a role into what kind of foreign currency you want to trade, when you want to trade it, what's happening in the news, and you'll be developing that style. I also like the fact that they have this Autochartist, which for many of you, and we'll talk about this, for some of you, you'll trade via robots or you'll trade via systems, or what you'll do is you'll follow traders that we have who are successful, and you'll basically follow their patterns. What I like about this here is when you look, this auto chartist, this system here, when you look at the symbols, some of their trades, this is the total of the trades that this system has done, depending on which charts you're looking at. But like I said before, most of you are going to be dealing with the US dollar, the euro, and the US dollar. So let me find that here. Um, Euro US dollar down here at the bottom. So there's a total of 437 trades, and out of that 437, they were correct. They were correct 304 times, which gives you a 70% chance that you're going to, make money or be successful. Now, what I want to point out is that it's not that you're not going to have ups and downs, but the goal when you're doing foreign currency trading, when you're doing investing, is to have more winners than you do losers. And in a good system, your winners will be bigger than your losers. And so if you magnify the fact that your winners should be bigger than your losers, and if you're winning more than 50% of the chance, it's a good chance you'll be successful. I mean, if you look here, this Autochartist was traded 782 times, the Australian dollar versus the Japanese yen, and again, 70% success rate. And so we're going to be talking about things like that, and the reason why you should join our company as a founder, join a subscription fee, is because we're going to teach you how to do those things. I've had some success with foreign currency trading. I've had some success with stocks, and so what we want to do now is just give back to our community, teach you how to do these things, so that in the long run, you don't have to be dependent upon anybody else. There are a lot of people who do this full time, part time, and they're successful at it. Now, disclaimer: 90% of people who don't do this successfully they're not successful. They don't win money, and I don't want to say win, but they don't invest, and they're not successful due to the fact that a lot of your emotions will get in the way, and we're going to talk about that. But I want you guys to go to www.diversifyfx.com, sign up. I'll post this on our YouTube channel and my Facebook page, so you can see that these are some of the things that we're going to be talking about. Again, Euro US dollar. Right now, I probably wouldn't invest in this. I'd maybe do some more research. The US dollar is supposedly weak right now compared to some of the other currencies. We don't have a lot of foreign investors looking to make that investment because our dollar is weak compared to theirs. And so hence you see the fact that the euro compared to the US dollar is increasing. Again, we're going to talk about some of these things when you sign up for our class and become a founder. Economic analysis. Hopefully my computer will hurry up and get to this thing. I think I have too many things open, but one of the things I like about this is good. You get trading news, analysis, and it gives you a lot of information about what's happening. So sign up, look to the Facebook page, diversifyfx.com. Follow me on Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter. Talk to you guys later.